Australian Grain Technologies, or AGT, is Australia's largest plant breeding company and the market leader in wheat genetics. But what is plant breeding? And why is it so important? Plant breeding is the science-driven process of developing new varieties of plants with desired characteristics. It's a vital tool for improving crop yields, nutrition, and resistance to pests and diseases. Plant breeding is achieved by growing plants found to be economically desirable. First by controlling the mating of selected individual crops, and then by selecting certain promising plants from among the offspring. While plant breeding has been practiced for thousands of years, it has become increasingly sophisticated since the discovery of genetic selection and more recently, the development and use of machine learning in the identification of beneficial markers and traits. Plant breeding is also being used to develop new varieties of crops that are better adapted to different climates and growing conditions, and also crops that are more efficient to grow, which can reduce the cost of food production. For example, the Green Revolution, which was a period of rapid agricultural development in the 1960s and 70s, was largely driven by plant breeding. New varieties of wheat, rice, and maize were developed that were more productive and resistant to pests and diseases. This allowed farmers to produce more food, which helped to avert a global food crisis. So as you can see, plant breeding is a valuable tool that is used to improve the quality, quantity, and affordability of food.